Robots of the future. Robots are machines that can do tasks automatically, and they are becoming more advanced every year. In the past, robots could only do simple jobs like lifting heavy things or moving objects in factories. Today, they can think, learn, and even talk with people using artificial intelligence. Many companies use robots to make cars, deliver packages, or help clean homes. Robots can work without getting tired and can do dangerous jobs that humans cannot. As technology grows, robots are becoming an important part of our daily lives. In the future, robots will be even smarter and more helpful to humans. Scientists are working on creating robots that can understand emotions and communicate like real people. There will be robots that can take care of the elderly, teach students, and help in hospitals. Some robots will explore the moon, Mars, and other planets where humans cannot go yet. They will collect information and help scientists discover new things about space. The robots of the future will not just be tools, but also companions that can make life easier and safer. Many people believe that future robots will work in almost every job. There will be robot chefs, drivers, farmers, and even police officers. They will help make food, protect cities, and build houses faster and more efficiently. However, some people worry that robots might take away human jobs. For this reason, scientists and governments are discussing how to use robots in a fair and responsible way. The goal is to let robots do the hard work while humans focus on creativity and decision-making. The future of robots is full of exciting possibilities. They could help solve big problems like climate change or healthcare by working with humans. Some robots might be powered by renewable energy, making them better for the planet. Children in the future might learn with robot teachers or play with robot friends at home. Robots will continue to change the way we live, work, and dream. The idea of robots of the future reminds us that technology, when used wisely, can make the world a better place for everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more. See you soon.